Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a alert setup on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT. And once you right click on this chart, you can see the add alert on BTC USDT. So you need to select or click on that option, and now another section pops out where you can set up your alert over here. So once you complete your setup, you simply need to click on create, which is at the bottom right corner of this section, and you'll be able to make a alert setup successfully. So basically this is how you can make a alert setup on TradingView, and if you're still encountering issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.